Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about CRUD example. We have create one Spring Boot CRUD example with MySQL database, and also we have implement Spring Data JPA for persistent layer. Already I uploaded same content few years back. Some friends will be not understand properly, so I am recreating this video. So watch this video till end so you can understand better. And if you new in my channel, then still subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you can get upcoming tutorials. Okay guys, we have creating a Spring Boot new project. So firstly we have opening our Eclipse idea. Inside Eclipse we have creating new project. Then we have new project Spring Starter project. Okay. Then Spring Starter project we have creating new project. So here we can giving name like boot CRUD. Okay. And our okay, and our package name like learn code with Sankalp. Okay, and package name same we like our project name, and our description will be same like our name. Okay, then we have clicking on Maven. We have creating Maven project, and Java version after that we have change the Java version. Okay, after creating version, then we have to click on next. Okay, here we can add the dependency. Firstly, we have added the Spring Web dependency. Okay, Spring Web dependency we have adding. Then we have add the connector MySQL driver. Okay, and then third dependency we have required like Spring JP, Spring Data JP. Okay, three dependency we have required guys. So we have clicking on next, and we have creating this project. Okay guys. Okay friends, our project is created. Then we have creating the changing some pom.xml file, our Java version and Spring Boot version. Okay, then our we have clicking on Java version like 1.8. Okay, and next we have creating changing the Spring Boot version. So our Spring Boot version will 2.2.4 point RELEASE release. Okay, then we have saving that. Okay, this is our dependency guys. Then we have changing the okay, we have changing the dependency of MySQL connector also. So here we can change MySQL, and here we can change the Java. Okay guys, our dependency pom.xml file will be changed up. Then we have our changing the project and our updating the project. Okay, our project is updating guys. So here we can create the package structure. So firstly we have create package like our project is not updated here yet. We have updating our project, update project. Okay friends, our project is updated. Then we have create the package structure here. So firstly we have already created Spring Boot main class. So we have created the package structure. Firstly we have create like entity package. Okay, then secondly we have create like controller package. Controller package, and thirdly we have create like service package. fourth we have create like repository package. Repository package. Okay, then we have refresh this. Okay, our four packages will be created, guys. Then we have implement the classes inside the packages. So firstly we have creating the entity package, entity class. So we have creating class like class name like product. Okay, we have project management system, then we have creating product. Okay, then firstly we have giving the annotation like we have giving the table name. Okay, then firstly we have giving the annotation like entity at the rate table name is equal to, we have giving the product name product dot tbl. Okay, okay, then we have to creating like id and generated value. Okay, then we have creating like private int id, private string name, private int quantity, private double price. Okay, for fields we have added, and we have created the id annotation for automatic in for primary key, and at the rate generate value for automatic creation of id. Okay, then secondly we have creating the getter setter method, source generate getter setter method, and source generate to string. Okay, then we have save this, we have saving the product. Okay, secondly we have creating the repository layer. So firstly we have create repository layer like creating class like product repository. Okay, and we have implement extend the JPA repository. Extend JPA Okay friends, we have not creating the class, we have creating the interface, and we have extend the JPA repository. Okay, and here we can give the our entity class name product, and our primary key is data type like integer. Our primary key data type will be integer na, then we have pasting as integer. Okay, that's fine guys, our repository layer is created. Then we have created the our some configuration for a database connection. So here Spring Boot by default give the our application properties file. So here we can giving the getting the configuration. So firstly we have clicking like spring dot data data source dot driver class name. Okay, class name we have given like com dot mysql dot cj dot database dot driver. Okay, then we have click on url spring dot data source dot url. Okay, then our url will be like jdbc colon mysql colon local host 3306 slash product management. CRUD. Okay, and this is our schema name, guys. We have create this schema inside our database. So here we can create the schema, creating the schema, apply, and we have run this schema. Okay, schema is created, guys. Then we have to refresh this and product management CRUD, and we have make a default schema. Okay, this is our schema. Then we have to checking them some properties, database properties, like spring dot data source dot username root, spring dot data source dot password, like root, spring dot JPA dot show SQL true. Okay, then spring dot JPA dot Hibernate DDL auto, we have clicking on update. Okay, then spring dot JPA dot properties dot Hibernate dot dilate is equal to org dot Hibernate dot dilate dot MySQL 5 dilate. Okay, then we have clicking a server dot port like 8080. Okay, then we have create like creating our service layer. So we have creating like service layer like class like product service service. Okay, we have creating service layer, and here we can write the main logic of our CRUD application. Okay, our stereotype dependency will be injected. Then we have creating the attwire the our repository layer, means dependency injection we have achieving. Attwire private product repository. Okay, then we have to creating some methods for the saving, for save products, for get products, like this. So firstly we have saving the single product, then we have to public product save product. Okay, and we have getting the save product as the argument. Okay, then returning the repository dot save, and we have saving the product. Okay, here you can creating the method of the saving the product, single product. And here you can after that we have saving the bulk of product, means list of product. So we have creating the method for saving the list of product. Then we have to writing like public list of product, like save product list product and return repository dot save all products. We have importing the list. Okay, our save all method will be completed. Okay, second we have creating the get all products method. So we have clicking like public list product like get products. Okay, then we have returning the repository dot find all. Okay, we have saving the all the product. Okay, then we have to get the one product by based on id. So we have writing that logic also. So here we can writing that logic like public public duck get product by id. Okay, then int id. Okay, then return repository dot find by id and giving the id. Okay, and what is the error is showing? Okay, by find by id and dot or else we have checking it here null. Okay, this is solved, guys. We have getting the id from the input, and we have passing returning the product which have belongs to the id. Okay, then last step will be that public product get duct by name. Okay, name. Okay, then return repository dot find by name. Find by name. Okay, here we can give the our entity class tag name. So here our entity class name tag name like name. So here we can giving the name. Okay, then here by passing the name. Okay, we have creating method for find by name. Okay, then last third thing will be that we have getting the delete product. So firstly product string product like int id repository dot delete by id. And we have returning the product deleted id. Okay, why this is product? Okay, our delete product will be completed. Okay, our 1 2 3 4 5 6 method will be completed, but we have one method update product. This is little bit tricky, guys. So we have creating the method for update product. So firstly we have creating the public product update product and product product, product, and we have creating like repository. Means firstly we have getting the product by ID. Okay, then firstly repository dot find by ID and passing the ID of that, and product dot get ID, and we have or else get ID dot or else null. Okay, here we can getting the ID one product. Okay, then we have giving the name like existing. Okay, our getting the existing product from the DB. Then we have to update that product. So we have setting the product at the existing product. Means existing product dot set name like product dot get name. Okay, like existing product dot set quantity and product dot get quantity. Okay, then existing product dot set price. Okay, then we have to product dot get price. Okay, then we have to return the return repository dot save an existing product. Okay, guys, our service layer almost completed, guys. Then we have creating the our controller layer. So here we can create the controller layer. So here controller package we have creating the controller layer. So here we can create like class like product. Okay, there is some spelling mistake. Controller. Okay. Okay, product controller, and here we can giving the annotation like REST controller, because we have written the JSON data, so we are giving the REST controller. Okay, then we have to auto-wire. Firstly auto-wire our service layer. Private product service service. Okay, firstly we have injected that product service, then we have to creating the endpoints for the getting the data or fetching the data. So firstly we have like public duct duct request body okay, then we have importing the product. Okay, then here we can call in the service layer. It is very easy. Return product service dot save product, and we have getting the product. Okay, then we have getting the post mapping like at the rate post mapping like add product. Okay, we are adding the product. After that we have getting like public list of product add products at the rate request body list of product products. Okay, then return service product service dot save products. Okay, it will be getting the product. Okay, it will be using for the saved products, and we have importing the list java util package. Okay, then we have using the post mapping like add ducks. Okay, then third endpoint we have getting like uh, getting product by id. Okay, then we have to public product find by id. Okay, path variable, we have getting the path variable using annotation path variable for the getting the data from the url. Okay, then id return service dot get product by id. Okay, and here we can passing the id, and here we can giving the at the rate get mapping, and we have getting the product like product id slash id. Okay, then secondly we have getting like product by name. Okay, then same method will be applicable guys, same method will be applicable, but we have getting the name. Here we can passing the name, and here we can pass the string. Okay, then we have passing the product by name, and here we can passing the name, and here we can pass change the to the name. Okay, this is the same guys. After that we have getting the update object guys. Then we have getting like public product update products at request body product product return service dot product service dot update product, and we have passing the product. Okay, here we can giving the put mapping. Update. Okay, we have import this. Okay, we have getting all the products, and lastly we have getting the delete mapping. Okay guys, then we have passing that mapping like id public string delete product path variable int id return product service dot delete product by id based on id. Okay, our all project is completed guys. Then we have to trying to run this project. So we have facing any error or anything, we have faced that. So we have right clicking on debug as Spring Boot application. Okay, then our Spring Boot application is starting guys. Okay, this port is already in use, guys. Then we have to kill this port and we have to run this project again. So killing this port, I have already one script, so we have adding that. We have one script, like we have to cmd run as administrator. Okay, okay, then we have killed this port. 6076. Okay, this is port is killed, guys. Then we have to run this project again. So we have restarting this project. Project is starting, guys. Okay, our project is running, guys. Then we can see here logs carefully, guys. We have table is also created, guys. So here we can see that we have refreshing our schema. So here product table also created, guys. So we have querying like this product table is also created, guys. So we have hit the API and means insert the data in the insert table by throughout the API, Spring Boot API. So we have opening the Postman tool, and inside Postman tool we have creating new request like http local host 8080, and we have pasting the our controller URL, add product. Okay, and we have this is the request of post, and then we have body. We have to like JSON body, like name, name, quantity, quantity, and which fields we have name, quantity, price. Okay, so we have seeing that we have price in double, so we have not required double quote, and quantity in int, so we have not required double quote. Okay, and name in string, then we have required double quote. Okay, then we have to HP laptop. This quantity will be 10 and this price will be 55,000. Okay, and we have beautified this. Okay, this is our request, guys. Then we have to hit this request. Okay, our one quantity will be saved in database. So we have check in database. Our one is saved. After that, we have getting the Dell laptop. Then we have quantity will be 20, 30, and the price will be 45,000. We have saving that. This is also save, guys. Then we have to verify in our DB. So this is also save. Okay, these two things will be also save, guys. Then we have to bulk edit, means we have to bulk data edit. So we have to clicking like this, and we have to okay, we have bulk data saving, means we have to saving 3 object at a time. Okay, then we have to changing the endpoint name like add products. Okay, and we have to changing like apple we have getting the three products, and the cost will be like 1,45,000. Second will be like Lenovo, and this quantity will be 20, and this price will be 65,000. Okay, and next will be laptop will be we have to find like mm, Samsung. Samsung, and quantity will be 50, and price will be 75,000. Okay, this is all product we are adding, so we have beautify that. Okay, this is array guys, we have three we are adding, so we have hitting this. Okay, three object will be added, and here we can see that our three object will be added. Okay, and then second endpoint will be that get product by id. Okay, we have getting product by id, then we have to get product by id, and here we can give the product id, which id we have getting, we have getting the apple product, then we have to changing like 3, and we have here passing as get. Okay, then we have getting the id of product by id. What is there, we have passing ambiguous handler method. Okay, here we have ambiguous and handler method. Okay, then here you can pass the id. We have ambiguous method now, then we have to id, and here we can pass the name. Okay, we have two replicating two endpoint at a time, so we will be giving the ambiguous error, and we have rerun the project. Okay, our project will started guys, then we have to hit this endpoint again. Okay, we are getting the id of 3, then we have to getting the id of 5, then we have passing 5, we have getting 5. Okay, then we have to getting the by name, so we have changing the name, and we have passing the name like apple. APPLE. Get mapping, we have, okay, some spelling mistake will be happen, then we are passing the name, like we have getting the name. Okay, then we have to passing the HP laptop, then we have getting the HP laptop. Okay, then third will be that we have to we have to third endpoint will have update the product, so we have updating the product like we have updating the product, so we have passing here. Okay, then we have passing the id of which id we have passing like Samsung id will be 5, then we have to passing as 5. Okay, Samsung will be increase their prices, so it will be 90,000, so it will be 90,000, so we have update the product price, so and quantity is also reduced, we have the 40. Okay, then previously we have Samsung product quantity will be 50, and price will be 75,000, and here we have quantity will be 40 and price will be 90,000, so we have update the product. No, we have here we can pasting the put mapping. Okay, then we have sent this, now our product will be updated guys, then we have verified in our db also, so we have reading this, so we have verifying our db, our price will be also updated. Okay, then we have last will be have endpoint like delete mapping. Okay, then delete will be that we have to product service dot delete product. So we have passing the delete product ID. Okay, then we have to delete, and we have to delete the Samsung product. So here we can send this. Okay, 5 will be deleted. So we verify in our DB, 5 is also deleted. So you have delete the Dell laptop. So we have clicking on Dell and send to this. Okay, product to be also deleted. We have verify this in the DB also. In the okay guys, our delete mapping is also working guys. In this way you have created the simple CRUD project guys. This is not any difficult or any challenging guys. This is simple CRUD project. In industry level same API will be developed in our end, but some modification will be there. In this inside the service layer some logic will be you have implement, so you can understand the concept of how to create API by using Spring Boot. Okay, I hope you have understand the concept of how to create API using Spring Boot. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Okay guys, thank you, bye.